Bridget Bartlett here. Today, what I'm going to do is show you how you can actually put your lead's name on your website like my name is here. Now, you may be thinking, why are you going to show us about the quiz builder? No, I'm not, but it is a really cool feature that we just got inside of Builderall. We have our own survey tool, so you can do quizzes, polls, and surveys. So super cool. Actually, everyone has asked me about that. Am I going to do a training on this? And yes, but it is a brand new tool. So I want to, have time to play with it a little bit. And then I want to have a well thought out training for you. But never fear, because Jackie did a training on this. And what I'm going to do is actually copy this link here and I'm going to share it on our broadcast page. So if you guys are watching anywhere else, make sure that you you click the link and log in to join us. Okay, so having said all that, let's actually just dive into today's training. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is actually create a 3-page sales funnel. This is just a basic sales funnel I wanted to use to show you how to do this. Okay, so we have the opt-in page, we have the email confirmation page, and the sales page. All right, so what we want to do is actually put this auto tag, or that's what it's actually called, onto the email confirmation page. Okay, so let's go ahead and start there, because it will only go one more page. And by that, I'm trying to say if they opt in here, the tag will only show on the next page. Okay, so you can't put a tag here on the email confirmation page and then the sales page on a double opt-in, because it won't recognize the lead name. Because, when you use a double opt-in, you get the email and then you have to click the link in the email to go to the sales page, so it does not carry over. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you both ways, so never fear. If you're using single or double opt-in, I'm going to show you both ways. So the first thing we want to do, let's go ahead and edit the email confirmation page. And you'll see here, just one more step to go, but here is where we want to put the auto tag. So we want it to say, hey, Bridget Bartlett, or whatever. One more step to go. You could add hey, so we could just say, hey, we'll say Bridget Bartlett. So what we need to do is, when you get inside the text editor and you see these options here, you'll see on the far right hand side, there's this little insert tags. So what you want to do is click that. And then when the window pops up here, you'll see there's all of these different options here. And I'm not going to go into great detail about all of them. There's so many usages of them. But today we're going to talk about lead name. So I'm going to go ahead and click lead name, and then I'm going to click select. Okay, so now you see we have this auto tag that's added in there. Once we get a lead, it will actually say, hey, Bridget Bartlett, or whatever our lead is, just one more step to go. So let's actually look at that and see what it looks like. So we'll say that's fine. And close. And I'm going to save and exit. To test this out, we want to republish, and then we want to get the live link here. Okay, so we're actually going to log in. But we need, anytime we do testing, we always want to go to an incognito window. So I'm going to go to a new private window here, and I'm going to paste the live link into my URL. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in my name, Bridget Bartlett, and let's go ahead and use an email address and get instant access. See? Now it says this is my email confirmation page. So it says, hey, Bridget Bartlett, just one more step to go. So that's so super cool. It just adds an extra step of engagement and interest. And, it just looks really cool. So that's how you do that on the email confirmation page. Okay, so let's go. I just want to test out this theory. Okay, so if I pull in my email, you see that I did get my email confirmation. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click here. And you'll see there is no there is no auto tag, and even if there was, it wouldn't show up here. So let's say that you didn't know that it wouldn't show on the third page, right? If you even if you put one there, it would not show. It wouldn't have the text. It wouldn't have the weird tag. It would just be nothing. Okay, so we do know that this is all working. Let's just go ahead and delete this. I'm going to move this back over here, get this out of the way. Let's close out of this. So now we want to test this for a single opt-in. Okay, so let's go ahead. And first thing we want to do, let's go to our email autoresponder because I want to delete the subscriber that I just confirmed in our list. Okay, so I'm going to go to all of my lists. And let's go ahead and search for the list I was using. So let's sample. And we will go to subscribers. And you'll see here's my email that we just confirmed, and it says confirmed. But I just want to delete this. So we'll have no subscribers. Okay. So now let's go back to our website. And now we need to reconfigure the form. Okay, so this is actually a good opportunity to show you this because I get this question a lot. People get really confused on how to set up and make sure that the form is going to the right pages. So let's go ahead and go to edit page. And since we're going to set this up for a single opt-in, I'll show you exactly what to do. So let's go ahead and left click in the form and go to set link. So here we want to put the page that we want them to go to even before they've subscribed. So basically they enter in their information and then they're going to go immediately to this page here. So what page do we want them to go to? Right now we had it set because it was double opt-in to go to the email confirmation page. But since we're going to choose single opt-in for this, we're going to go ahead and choose sales page. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose that. Then we'll choose sales page again and select, and then we'll just go ahead and leave no action for the unsubscribe confirmation. So this is the thing that gets a lot of people confused. So it's important to know where you can go to set that. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save. And that's fine. And now that we've reconfigured this to go to the sales page after they've entered their name or their information, let's go ahead and save and exit. And we'll go to the sales page. And here is where we will put an auto tag, just right here at the top. Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's go ahead and add some text. So we'll go to elements and text. Let's go ahead and choose a H2 title. And let's add our, let's go ahead and let's type in, let's double click here and just say, welcome back, comma. I mean, you don't really have to put anything in here, but we'll just put welcome back, and then let's go to our insert tags, and then lead name, and select. And let's go ahead and stretch this out a little bit. And we want to save. And that's fine. And close. Okay, so let's go back home. And let's go ahead and republish and grab this live link here. Okay, so we're just going to open up an incognito window and let's test this out again. So we'll go to add my name here, Bridget Bartlett, and an email, get instant access. And there is my name on the sales page. So that's super, super cool, you guys. I don't know if you realize that we had that feature, and certainly if you even knew how totally simple that is to do. So as always, I love to give you guys the templates and things that I am working on. So let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and just give you this template so that you already have the auto tags there. So to share the template, all I have to do in my account is click the three dots here and go to manage public link. And then all you have to do is click copy link. And then now I'm going to share that in the chat of the video for the live broadcast. So now it is in the chat, and you guys are welcome to use that. I love to know if you have some creative ways of incorporating that into your website. I would love to know and see them. So I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go build it with Builderall.